So everyone is always going online to purchase crystal chandeliers, where they are called crystal shade chandeliers. So after doing my dining room table, this is my dining room table. Yes, I've been at Pier 1. Doing this to my dining room table and getting ready for Christmas, because all of this will be changed. I wanted something that was very sassy, something pretty that was so me. So I went online, went Amazon. No, I could get my 25% off being an Amazon employee. But still, this chandelier was almost $700. So for the total amount of $11.69, this is my chandelier. I'm going to show you what it can do and how it can come on and off. You will see my living room, which my house is clean because it's always clean. But this is with it off. Mine actually have a remote. So my chandelier comes on with a remote. So that is my dining room. I have one more light I need to put in, but this is my chandelier shade light, and I love it. My husband hasn't seen it because I didn't like the roping that I had up there, so I changed the chain because I wanted something to be a little bit more elegant. But DIY, these are actually the crystals that you put on the Christmas tree. And that's exactly what they use when they charge you so much money, unless they are the real crystals. And the real crystal chandelier, shade chandelier like this, will cost you roughly about $4,000. So here is mine. I'm going to add more crystals to it, probably another 12 I'm going to add to it. And actually, I love pearls. My grandmother Centurion used to love pearls. So I know I wanted something pearl. So that actually is going to drop a little bit longer to this candle holder. So guys, don't pay all that money. Just go on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. I don't put it out there. But yes, I have a YouTube channel, DIYs, whole 9 yards. But that is my $700, $11 shade chandelier. Bye, guys.